Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're following up with a little update on last week's video. In case you missed last week's video, we started a Jesmonite pour and used the leftovers to part fill this candle jar, along with creating a small heart in the coaster mould. This pour was just half an hour after our first pour. One of the beauties of working with Jesmonite is its fast cure time. We decided to fill the rest of these moulds with black Jesmonite. To create such a deep black colour, we used the Archery Creations water-based pigment in carbon. Like our last pours, we tap around the sides of the moulds to help release air bubbles and level out the surfaces. Another half an hour later, both pieces were ready to demould. We decided to join these two videos together so you don't have to wait to see them being demoulded. We ended up being super happy with how the little coaster turned out. Once these pieces had cured for a day, we then sealed them with our uresin wax. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.